We've walked over 4 million steps along this beautiful coastline over the last year. It's given us time to reflect, rethink, and re-evaluate. Space, time, and the healing nature of the sea air helped us take some really positive steps. Time was right for a change of direction and for action. We were struck by the environmental benefits seen across the globe, including here in Portsmouth and Southsea. Cleaner seas, more birdsong, bees, butterflies, and blossom. Chinneck Shore is now a carbon-neutral business, and we've established our roadmap to make sure we continue to do our bit for the environment. With sustainably sourced, for sale and to let eco-boards, green power heat and lighting, recycled paper, we're well on our way. It was also time to upgrade our brand and website. Refreshed and reinvigorated, we're really proud and excited to launch a brand new website and new look branding across our offices, cars and boards. We've added and improved services to help even more people sell, let, buy and rent homes in this beautiful part of the country. And you can even meet our team in a whole new way. We hope you love it as much as we do. Take a look.